are pleased to show you the 2018 Chevy Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, heated side mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, power driver mirrors, running boards, power passenger mirrors. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.